What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Here is some exciting news for those of you who own a Samsung Galaxy S22 series device. Samsung has started rolling out the One UI 6.0 beta for the S22 series. This is a Galaxy S22 Ultra I have got here. This phone has just got a notification on the Samsung members application which shows the banner for One UI 6.0. So if you want to enroll yourself to One UI 6.0 beta program, all you can do is just go to Samsung members application. On the top you will see these banners. As you can see, I've got about 8 banners here. Keep scrolling towards the right or left until you see this banner which says One UI beta program. You can see we've got Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra mentioned over here. Be the first to enjoy the latest Galaxy experience, One UI 6 with Android 14. So here is One UI 6.0 based on Android 14 for all the Samsung Galaxy S22 series owners out there. Go ahead, tap on this banner. Here again you will have to tap on this banner. You will have this button at the bottom, enroll. I'll tap on this, tap on continue. Once your enrollment process is completed, just go to settings, tap on software update, and here it is. You can see this orange dot here. I'll tap on download and install. You can see we have got One UI 6.0 beta on the Galaxy S23 Ultra right here. Let me just scroll down. Let's see the size here. It's about 2.8 GB size we have got here. The version number ends with ZWI6. You can see One UI version 6.0 and the security patch level is 1st September 2023. Now here I can tap on view all changes. We have got the entire list of changes, the features that we have got on One UI 6.0 here. I believe that almost all the features that we have got on the S23 Ultra should be available on the S22 Ultra as well. Now I have already made detailed videos about One UI 6.0 features on the S23 Ultra. The same features will also be available on the S22 series. So if you have missed that video, you can go ahead and check out that video. I will link that up in the description. And I'll also talk about the features on the S22 Ultra. I will just download this update and install it. And I'll just go through it. I'll take a day or so to explore all the features that we've got on the S22 Ultra. I will see if there is anything missing out compared to the S23 Ultra's features, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'll make a separate video and post it probably in a day or two, so stay tuned for that. But for now, if you want to enroll yourself to One UI 6.0 beta, you can do that on the Samsung members application. But before you install it, make sure you back up the entire data on the Samsung cloud so that if there is any bugs or any major issues that you face, or if at all you lose the data, you can restore it from Samsung cloud. Now Samsung released this new feature which enables us to upload the entire data including your photos and videos, unlimited data in fact, to the Samsung cloud, and that will be there in the cloud for almost 30 days. You can restore it anytime you want. You can just tap on settings, go to general management and tap on reset. Here you will be able to see this new option, temporary cloud backup. When you tap on this, it says backup and restore with Samsung Cloud, backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days. So you'll be able to back up unlimited data. So before installing the One UI 6.0 beta, go ahead, back up your device just in case if you lose out on your data after installing the beta. So it will be a little risky, but it would be fine because the beta program on the S23 Ultra is running pretty smoothly now. After about 3 to 4 updates, 3 to 4 iterations of betas, it is working pretty well and it's quite stable. So I believe that this version, the beta on the S22 series also will be pretty stable because it has already been tested on the S23 series. So you can go ahead and install it, but make sure you back up the data and then install the One UI 6.0 beta. On this page, just tap on backup. It will select all the data possible on your phone, including your contacts, messages, and all the other application data. And you can also upload the videos and pictures. Everything you can upload it to Samsung Cloud, and whenever you need it, within 30 days, you can restore it back. Now this is something you have to keep in mind. Now let me know how many of you guys got the One UI 6.0 beta update. Are you up for the all new Android to experience on your device? Let me know in the comment section, and if at all you're facing any major bugs, do share in the comment section so that it can benefit the community. I will be back with another video for the S22 series, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.